So it is widely known nowadays that there has always been a fixed separating line between science and religion. That you either belong to Team Blue or Team Red, going against each other head to head. On the one side, whatever you find in religion should not be accepted or even discussed and be directly thrown in the trash. And on the other side, whatever is pure science should be denounced and even burned in Salem if you want to be a true believer. Well, here in BeeWise, we think otherwise. We think that science and religion came from the same source, God. And that's why they should not be going against each other. Instead, they should be completing one another. We'll expose pseudoscience, fake beliefs, myths, in simple, easy fashion and always provided with proof. We'll tackle the most controversial topics, and we'll always ask and answer all questions. If you want to join us in our journey to uncover the truth and to be wiser, well, the answer is pretty clear, and it starts with an S.